Hi everybody, I'm gonna do something I don't think I've ever actually done before, and that's cook on Instagram. Why? Because why not? Our good friend Miss Kissy Papa has asked, how do you make the dish that I'm making? I don't really know the name of it. I can just tell you that it has fennel and curry and beans and lemon and butter. So let's get started. First, get a pan. Get some fennel, perhaps nicer looking than the fennel I have. Make sure to have some butter, some lemon, which we will squeeze, some white beans or garbanzo beans, and curry, a little bit of salt as well. So obviously I can't film and cut at the same time, but you cut off the bottom there and the top. And then we are going to cut this into small pieces. Add some butter. So this is what I have now. It's a little bit more cut fennel than I need, but that's fine. You can use less if you would like. All right, Buchu, here we go. We have melted the butter a little bit, and now we put in the fennel. I guess if you want, you don't have to use butter. If you want it to be vegan, you can use a vegan butter supplement. Add a little bit of salt to taste. All right, I mixed it all up a little bit, and now I'm gonna cover it. I haven't put any curry on it, obviously. I just like to cook it with a little bit of butter and salt first, and then I'll add the curry later. And then make sure to rinse your beans. Look at that, Puchu. I'm rinsing beans. La 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 la. Puchu, would you like to help? And now my sous chef will add the curry so I can film. I have a feeling she's gonna add a lot of curry, which I will enjoy because I love the taste. Yummy, yummy. And then we want to squeeze our lemon. Squeeze and get all that juice out of that shiny yellow lemon. And now we add the beans. La 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 la. But not the lemon juice yet. And the final ingredient, lemon juice. There you go. It's basically done. And now you can eat it. Or keep it for your lunch like I'm going to do. Thanks for watching. Kissy Papa, hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you soon. Bye.